We met again now after a short interval of time. How were your vacations? Good. Okay. Now we will revise our syllabus first. Then we will go ahead. First we will revise our syllabus, what we have learned. Pattern lines, strokes. So revise with me all the things. Start now. We have learned all these patterns, all these curves. So now only one time we will revise them. This is called standing line. This is called sleeping line that we have done in copy. हमने अपनी कॉपी में किया है. This is called standing and sleeping line. In Hindi we use this line basically. जो हमारी हिंदी में हम बनाएंगे वो ये यूज करेंगे. Okay. Now this is slanting line. This is one more slanting line. With this two slanting line we will make O. These are curves, opposite curves. This also we use in making different alphabets. And this is circle. And this we also use to make O and other alphabets and maths also and in Hindi also. Some lines and curves are used. So this is the revision. Now we will start from our textbook. So open your textbook please. I am showing which textbook you have to open. Children, now open this book. This is your English textbook, alphabet book. ये आपकी English की alphabet book है. Now open this. Now open this page. Now we will study in this page. See, first picture is of apple. A for apple. Now read with me. A for apple. Next picture. This is ant. Ant. A for ant. Next picture. A for X. A for X. And the fourth picture is of A for alligator. A for alligator. So, which pictures we have learned? A for apple, A for X, A for ant, A for alligator. And the sound of A is A. See my mouth. A. In your book there is a picture also of how to speak. A. A. You have to speak like this only. A. This is the sound of A. 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 You have to speak like this. A. Your worksheet 2 and take out the page in that A is written. I am telling you the page number that you open it and do with me. Okay? Write with me. Open your worksheet 2 and take out page number 4 and write with me. Okay? 2 times I tell you with this line and then with dots. You have to go like up, down, and this make one sleeping line. Okay? Up, down, and then one sleeping line. Like this. Which alphabet is this? A. 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 We have to go up and then down. Up, down. Practice with me. With your finger, practice with me. With your finger. Show me your finger. Show me this finger and practice with me. Up, down. Again, up, down. Like this you have to make A. And then one sleeping line in the middle. Up, down. One sleeping line. Up, down. And then one sleeping line. Like this you have to make A. Now on the dots, how you will make it? you will go from this dot up and from this dot down, and then one sleeping line. Like this you will make A. This is the exercise given. What you have to do? In this exercise you have to tick mark zigzag lines. You see first, zigzag lines are like this these types of lines. In front of this you have to put tick mark. Now tick mark means how to put tick mark? First you have to go this step this way and then this way. This is called tick mark. So this is a zigzag line. We have put the tick mark here. Now again, this is zigzag line? No, this is not zigzag line. Now, this is zigzag lines? Yes, these are zigzag lines. So again we will put tick mark here. So you finish this exercise like this. In this page, you have to do patterns. You have to do lines on these. Patterns are given. You have to make lines on it with pencil like this on whole page. Now we are doing some exercise relating to alphabet A. Some pictures are given. The pictures are started with A. First we will read them, then we will do this exercise. What is this? This is the picture of ant. This is the picture of ant. What is this? This is the picture of ape. This is a picture of ape. What is this? This is a picture of airplane. So, in this page, ant is given, ape is given, airplane is given. Now, what we have to do here? We have to circle the A letter, the alphabet A. So, you have to circle here with me. This is the A alphabet. We will circle like this. An ant. Again in this picture ape, this letter is alphabet A. We will circle this A. Again in this picture there is aeroplane and this alphabet A. We will circle this. Now in this picture also two pictures are there in this page. Alligator, apple. And this pattern is given of making A. You have to trace this pattern with your pencil like this. On dotted lines you have to trace this. And it will become. Today we have learned alphabet A. Now next alphabet we will do in next class. So children, for today, thank you very much and stay safe at home. Okay beta, bye.